everyone, I'm back after a long time. You are English with Tenzin once again. Today's video session is on IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, where each sound is given a unique symbol. So we are going to learn the phonetic sounds in English. There are 44 phonetic sounds in English, 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. But in today's video session, we are going to focus on the 24 consonant sounds in English. They are further divided into voiced and unvoiced. There are 9 unvoiced sounds and there are 15 voiced sounds. Okay, the only difference that we can make out between the voiced and the unvoiced is by just touching on your vocal cords. Okay, now when you pronounce the voiced sound, your vocal cord vibrates, whereas when you pronounce the unvoiced sounds, your vocal cords don't vibrate. All right. The first consonant sound is p, parrot, parrot. When you pronounce this consonant sound, p, we have to join our upper lip and the lower lip together and then pronounce this phonetic sound. All right. Parrot. The letter P in the vocabulary parrot has p sound and it is an unvoiced sound. All right. Okay. The second one is bag, bag. Again, like the first phonetic sound, consonant sound, p, right? Again, we have to join our upper lip and the lower lip together and then pronounce this phonetic sound, b, bag. The letter B in the vocabulary bag has b sound and it is a voiced sound. All right. It is voiced because, it vibrates when you touch a vocal cord and when you pronounce this second phonetic sound, b, it vibrates. B, our throat, vocal cord vibrates. B. All right. Okay. The third one, key. K in the vocabulary key has k sound in phonetics. All right. Key. The fourth one is girl. The letter G in the vocabulary girl has g sound in phonetic sound. All right. Girl. The way we pronounce k and g has a kind of a same movement. The next one is flower. The letter F in the vocabulary flower has f sound, and when we pronounce this consonant sound f, we have to bite our lower lips with the help of our upper teeth. All right, so it should be pronounced with f, flower. Okay, the next one is v sound, v. Now both the phonetic sound f and v are called as fricative sounds. All right, because we bite our lower lips with the help of our upper teeth, so that's why they are called as fricative sounds. The next one is tie. The letter T in the vocabulary tie, T-I-E, tie, has t sound, tie. All right. Okay. The next one is dog. Dog. The letter D in the vocabulary dog, D-O-G, dog, has D sound. Dog. Okay. The next one is snake. The vocabulary, snake. The letter S in the vocabulary snake has S sound. All right. You can also pronounce it with S, right? Snake. All right. The next one is zebra. Zebra. The word Z in the vocabulary zebra has Z sound. You can also pronounce it with Z. All right. So these two sounds looks kind of a similar, but it should be, being taken care when you pronounce these two sounds separately. All right. The 11th one is shower. The two letters SH in the vocabulary shower have sh sound. Shower. Okay. The next one is television. I have underlined the two letters SI, which needs to be pronounced as television. All right. Number 13 is When we pronounce this phonetic sound, we need to use the tip of the tongue, with the lower teeth. Thump. The two letters TH in the vocabulary thump have th sound. Thump. Okay. The next one is the mother. Again, the two letters TH in the vocabulary mother have the sound. So the alphabet TH may have th or the sounds in phonetics. So we need to be very careful in understanding while pronouncing these words. All right. The next one is chess. The two letters CH in the vocabulary chess have ch sound. Chess. The next one, j. The letter J in the vocabulary jazz has j sound. Jazz. The 17th one we have is the consonant sound h. The letter H in the vocabulary house has h sound, and it comes from our vocal cord. House, as if you are trying to breathe out when you pronounce this sound. All right, so it should be pronounced as house. Okay, the next one is leg. The letter L in the vocabulary leg has l sound. Leg. Okay. The next one is r. You have to put your tongue inside your mouth, and then close your lips a little bit, and then play with your tongue. Right? Okay. Rat. The vocabulary rat has r sound. The R in the vocabulary rat has r sound. The 20th one is wa. The letter W in which has w sound, and when you pronounce this phonetic sound, you have to make your lips round. w. People normally confuse with w and v in the consonant sounds. So the lip sync is different. We over here should be pronounced as v, vase, which, which. Okay, the 21st one is university, university. The letter U in university has y sound. University, university. Okay, the next one is monkey, monkey. Nose, nose. Singer, singer. So the last three sounds, they are called as nasal sounds. So they should be pronounced from the nose. When you pronounce these three sounds, they come from our nose. So that's why they are called as nasal sounds. Okay, now let us just recapitulate what we have learned. The 24 consonant sounds, and they have been divided into voiced and unvoiced. There are 9 unvoiced sounds and 15 voiced sounds. The unvoiced sounds are p, k, f, t, s, sh, t, ch, h. There are 15 voiced sounds, and they are b, g, w, d, z, j, t, j, l, r, w, y, m, n, ng. So these are the sounds that we have learned for the day. I hope that you have learned well, you have understood well. If you have any questions, please write to me personally or write on the comment below. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.